Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a good one. That was a really good one. That was a good one too. What was? Not me, Cook. That is literally just him. Like, being weird and awkward. Oh, that was a fart. It's not gonna stop. It's like gonna be ongoing. Oh my dude, man, dude. Oh, dude, this is. This is weird. I'm starting to get a little bit like freaked out now, honestly. This is unnatural. It doesn't even know. Yeah, exactly. There we go. Cook now knows. And Cook wants to see the bubbies. Cook's the bubby boy. Change your name on my Skype to Bubby. To loves the bubbies. How can you do this? Like, honestly. That's like, he's gooping ooping. I honestly don't think so. Yeah, so that'd be hard to like not laugh at. This is like the topic of like what we talk about all day.
What was that?
It's just like just that's unnatural. This is all fucked up. You know it's a problem. Yep, that is really bad.
Ow.
You know who's gonna make this sound all night, eh?
Ow.
Huh.
Ow.
Sounds like more.
Ow.
What the hell?
That is weird.
It's really weird.
Oh! Justin! He's here, dude. He's awake. Justin. It's like he snored too hard and it's like he popped the blood vessel and like, wait, what? That is, oh my goodness. Oh man, dude.
It's getting more intense as it goes. He's awake. He's awake.
I don't think he is. This is getting intense. Justin's having like sex dreams.
He's got.
Justin's like, I'm the man. And he's like,
he's got a sneeze fetish.
yes, he does. It's just, yeah. Oh, now he's changing it. He's awake. Stop the.
He's awake.
David has a problem.
Just if you're awake, if you're sleepy, you better stop snoring. No, I thought you stopped, David.
Oh, I thought we had a breach in the system there.
Oh my god, it's so bad sounding.
Oh, shit. My upgrades are only 2-1. Bad. Oh, that was.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is never ending.
Where's the weird? That is so unhealthy. What the?
The good man are not on Justin's side today.
God, so so. Oh, okay, I feel like kicking. Oh, who's the leader?
Justin probably is.
I feel like kicking. Let's just get 2-9. Can you do that? What? Oh my god. Jesus.
Oh my god.